Hello everyone. Today we will look at the world's most expensive cars in 2023. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button so that I keep bringing cool and informative videos to you. On number 1, we have Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. Rolls-Royce is famous for its luxury cars. It looks exquisite and is an absolute beauty, starting at $12.8 million. It has a built-in sun umbrella and a champagne fridge. Who doesn't love champagne, right? On number 2, we have Bugatti La Voiture Noire. This beauty here comes with a quad-turbo 8-liter W16 engine. And it has a horsepower of 1479 and 1600 Newton-meters of torque. This is a car that brings speed, luxury, aesthetics, and art, all in one. Its price is estimated around $19 million. On number 3, we have Bugatti Centodieci. It is a rare car. This car, given its sleek design, challenges all bounds of creativity. It has a W16 engine. There are only 10 cars made of such type. It is priced at $9 million. On number 4, we have Mercedes-Maybach Exelero. This vehicle is one of a kind. It weighs around 2,660 kilograms. The Exelero is a car that reaches a top speed of 351 kilometers per hour. It reaches 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.4 seconds. This supercar is priced at $10 million. On number 5, we have Bugatti Divo. It has a carbon fiber intercooler, lighter wheels, and has 1,500 horsepower. Only 40 units of this car have been produced worldwide, each costing $5.8 million. On number 6, we have Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita. This car is famous for its perfection all over the world. It is equipped with a twin carbon rear wing, Inconel exhaust, carbon ceramic brakes with ABS, airbags, paddle shift, chrono instrument cluster, multimedia system, tire monitoring system, and hydraulic lifting system. This limited edition model is priced at $4.8 million. On number 7, we have Lamborghini Veneno. We all know the name Lamborghini very well. But this Lamborghini here is one of a type. This Lamborghini is installed with a more powerful version of the Aventador's 6.5-liter V12 engine, which now produces 740 horsepower, allowing it to reach 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. It is the costliest Lamborghini ever built at $4.5 million. On number 8, we have Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. This supercar can reach a top speed of 277 meters per hour in just 4.8 seconds. Its design is aerodynamic, allowing it for a better stability on road and a more firm grip. This car is priced at $3.9 million. On number 9, we have Lamborghini Sián. This beauty here has a 48-volt mild hybrid system in addition to the 6.5-liter V12. The output is 819 horsepower, making it Lamborghini's most powerful vehicle ever. This vehicle would set you back $3.6 million. On number 10, we have Pagani Huayra Roadster BC. This majestic vehicle is as fast as it looks. It has a powerful 800 horsepower engine which was later upgraded to an AMG-sourced twin-turbocharged 6.0-liter V12. Pagani is only making 40 of these cars, each with a price tag of $3.5 million.